In today's video, we're going to do a video tour of Deck 6 of the Norwegian Sky. Okay, so we're headed up the atrium in the elevator from Deck 5 up to Deck 6. And we get off on Deck 6, we're going to go around here to the left. And this is the Internet Cafe. The manager's desk's right there. And the Internet Cafe actually encompasses the whole atrium area on Deck 6. There are a couple of shops. There's one you just passed there. There'll be another one up here on right there. There's another one. And then we'll see some more of the Internet Cafe as we go around this area on Deck 6. The Norwegian Jewel's been recently refurbished. She's in amazing shape and just really a glorious ship. She's really small. She doesn't have the amenities the bigger ships have, but we loved our cruise on her. We thought she was just a great ship. This is we're entering the Bliss Ultra Lounge, and this was probably one of the busiest venues on the ship. Most of the time, they ran a lot of the cruise director led activities in the daytime took place in here. At night, they pretty much always had either music or karaoke, something going on. It was also the largest of the lounges. We spent some time in the Bliss, and then, in fact, I'll have some live videos we shot from the Bliss and from the show. I'll put together in another video. Going back aft from the Bliss Ultra Lounge. So this is the Sugarcane Mojito Bar. And on the far back wall, you can't really see it, but there was a small area where they would set up and perform. They'd have live acts there as well. You would think that with the two bars next to each other and open between them that it would be hard to hear, but really it didn't interfere. This is the photo gallery. Most of the photos were available digitally, and so you could kind of browse through them rather than having the racks of photos to look through. We're going to go into the Mark Twain Library, and this was really early in the morning, and yet this area was very well lit. Behind it is an area that there's some meeting rooms, so if you had meetings on the ship, there was actually a total of 3 different meeting rooms that were available. We're going to come back into the photo gallery area and make a right turn in just a second, and we're going to head back to the theater. This is the Stardust Theatre, and it is all the way on the aft end of the ship. It was closed, and I didn't want to get yelled at for opening the door. And probably could have gotten away from it with it. Underneath, and I missed this on Deck 5, but underneath it there is one of the dining rooms is below the theater as well. Again, we loved the ship, and we had such a really, really nice time on board. I'm going to get you a look here at this. There's a lighted glass art piece of art that was, you can see this was right over the door to the dining room down below. We're going to start up the steps here. One more look at the artwork. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy, please go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe buttons. We've got a lot more videos coming up. You're really going to enjoy them. We'll see you next time.